We have peace of mind knowing that no matter the size of the project, we're going to have the right number of people here, and Connecteam allows us to do that.
Here at Teak Twine, we are a corporate gift box company, and so we work with many different companies to create a really cohesive gift for all recipients.
We have an amazing team of 74 employees, freelancers, and contractors.
Before Connecteam, it was very hectic. It was very stressful. We didn't know who was going to come in, and there wasn't really a planned schedule for the day.
A lot of texts and a lot of emails, a lot of information not in a centralized place. With Connecteam, we really all brought it together.
When we're scheduling, you can see this person is not available 2 days this week, but then he's going to be available 5 days next week. We can see everything.
I know what to do. I can plan ahead about all my work and my free time.
Connecteam is able to help us with the seasonal changes of how busy we are production-wise.
It really just gives us that centralized place to be able to see all of our employees, see all of the hours, and track the hours.
It is so much easier to communicate with the team. We have a way of distributing messages in 1 second that everyone's going to receive.
All the production managers will know when a person is going to be late, when a person is actually not coming, or when a person is not available to work.
Connecteam has really helped to streamline a process, bringing Teak on and hourly employees, as well as onboard employees easily, sync them all together.
The app is very easy to use. We have people here that are not so tech savvy, and they're able to navigate through it pretty easily.
Connecteam's really helped us to reduce stress across our whole team.
It's like we're in control of everything.
It gives us our time back to do what we really need to be doing.